In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create remittance advice in Xero. A remittance advice is a simple notice you send to a supplier to confirm which bills you've paid and when. It helps your suppliers match incoming payments to their invoices and keeps your accounts payable tidy. Here's how to generate and send one directly from Xero. Start by opening your Xero organization and heading to the Purchases area. From there, go to Bills. You'll see tabs for different bill statuses. Because remittance advice is tied to completed payments, move into the Paid section. This view lists bills that have already been settled, which is exactly what we need. If you have a long list, use the search or filters to narrow it down by supplier, reference, or date. You'll also need permission to view and send bills in Xero. Find and select the bill you've paid and want to advise the supplier about. This opens the bill's detail page. Look for the payment recorded against that bill. You'll see the payment line with the amount, date, and the bank account it was paid from. Click the payment to view its details. This is the quickest way to access the options for sending a remittance. On the payment screen, open the options menu, then choose Send Remittance. Xero prepares an email with the remittance advice attached, summarizing the bill numbers, amounts, and the total you paid. In the email window, enter your supplier's email address. If you keep email addresses stored with the contact, Xero may fill this in for you, but you can add or update it here. Next, review and edit the subject and message. Keep it clear and professional. Mention the payment date, total amount, and any helpful references the supplier expects, such as an invoice or purchase order number. This note appears in the email body while the detailed remittance is attached or linked by Xero. If you paid several bills in a single payment, the remittance that automatically includes each invoice covered. Consider copying your account's inbox so your team has the same confirmation. When everything looks right, click Send. Xero dispatches the remittance to your supplier and records a copy in the bill's history so you can confirm it was sent. If you don't see the Send Remittance option, double check that the bill is marked as paid and that a payment exists. Also verify that the contact has a valid email address. That's it. You've created and sent a remittance advice in Xero, giving your supplier a clear confirmation of what you paid and ensuring your records stay organized.